Bukky Jesse tó bá ti jẹ́ wípé gbogbo nǹkan tó sọ nípa mi èmi Arifa lájogún ọmọdé àgbà tó bá ti jẹ́ pé gbogbo nǹkan tó fẹ́nu ẹ̀ sọ nípa mi bẹ́ẹ̀ lórí wọn bá tọ́dún ìkùsì ní màlájà àmọ́ tí ò bá ti jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ máa ṣe 200 ọdún láyé máa lo 1000 ọdún láyé tó bá ti wá jẹ́ pé gbogbo nǹkan tó sọ nípa mi irọ́ ló pamọ́ ní Bukky Jesse gbogbo èso tó bá tara ẹ̀ jáde pátá alátakò náà máa bá pàdé ní gbogbo ìgbésí ayé wọn gbogbo ibi tó bá ń dé wọn ní rójú rí ọmọ aráyé wọn ní bá láàánú kankan pàdé ní gbogbo ibi tó bá ń dé tó bá jẹ́ pé jọ́ tó bí àwọn ọmọ ẹ̀ ó fọṣẹ́ wẹ̀ wọn yóò ṣẹ́ mọ́ wọn lára tó bá jẹ́ pé wọn tó bá jí wọn lè má fọwọ́kùnrin wọn lè má fìbírìn lórí ilẹ̀ wọn lè má jẹ̀bọ̀ wọn lè má jẹyọ̀ ó máa ṣẹ́ mọ́ wọn lára ẹni tó bá fẹ́ sọ bá rí fáń pọ̀fọ̀ lórí live stream kó wá sọ máa pọ̀fọ̀ òjọba ìlú náà mú di òjò lóòótọ́ múlẹ̀ ẹ̀rọ tó kété bá ti bálẹ̀ sọ òun ilẹ̀ gbọ́ gbogbo tó bá jáde lẹ́nu mi lónìí kó dìle gbogbo tó bá jáde lẹ́nu mi kó dàṣẹ torí kó ṣe báyìí ní tìlákọ̀ àgbàrá ò ní sàn kó bójú ẹ̀yìn ìtọ́ òsì ní balẹ̀ kó tún padà sínú mọ́ èyí tí n bá wí lónìí bí mo ṣe ní kó rí fún ọ bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ó rí Bukky Jesse àyàfi tó bá jẹ́ pé gbogbo nǹkan tó sọ nípa mi bẹ́ẹ̀ lórí àmọ́ tí ò bá ti rí bẹ́ẹ̀ Bukky Jesse àwọn èso tó bá tara ẹ jáde wọn ní bẹ́ẹ̀ tara ẹ jáde wọn ní bẹ́ẹ̀ wọn lọ́kàn balẹ̀ wọn ní fi ìwọ tó jẹ́ ìyá wọn ní fi ẹ́ lọ́kàn balẹ̀ inú ẹ̀ ò ní dùn látàárọ̀ dalẹ́ ṣé inú ẹ̀ ti ẹ̀ dùn inú ẹ̀ gan ò dùn ìwọ tó mẹ́wàá lẹ́wọ̀n inú ẹ̀ ò dùn náà ṣé kò kàn ń pretend inú ẹ̀ ò dùn náà.
Arifa ti pé bàbá Mohbad títí pé òun fẹ́ lọ kí Gùrẹ́sì àwọn ẹ̀ ti mọ̀ pé kíkí wọn ìkà ló já sí Gùrẹ́sì.
Arifa has called Baba Sote. Arifa dey tell Baba say he wan go greet Gurexi and she say dem they don't know say the kind greeting wey I wan go greet Gurexi na to wicked Gurexi.
Refuse to see anybody yàtọ̀ sí mọ́mí rich grace àti bàbá.
He said that is why Gurexi said he didn't want to see anybody apart from rich grace and Baba Mohbad, which means the person Gurexi chatted me. Gurexi chat me. He chat me. Gurexi chat me. Yes, Gurexi chat me. Gurexi chat me. And Gurexi tell me say in our chat, he tell me say no be him type. Say him get brother we dey near am, we dey help am type. Shey na yesterday, I be day before yesterday. After been doing Bintin show, say Gurexi chat me now. Hello brother, how is family? How are you doing, sir? And Gurexi, I call am. Gurexi tell me say no, he no fit pick call, but he go send me voice notes later in the evening. And I said no problem. Thank you so very much. I can't wait to hear your voice. The Gurexi wey chat me, Gurexi tell me that it is true. Dem talk say me anybody no come, and it was spiritual and what's it called? Spiritual and medical advice. It was and medical advice. That is why I might not come to sin, but make her no worry, it's getting better. The spiritual and the physical and medical advice no hold rich grace to go see Gurexi. That one no affect rich grace to see Gurexi. Bukky Jesse just talk and say rich grace go see Gurexi and Baba Mohbad. Person wey dey stay Ibadan fit come Lagos come see Gurexi, but person wey dey Ikorodu na him wan wicked Gurexi, and one of them is Bukky Jesse. Eyín ikú sọmọ lórúkọ sàgbàdìwèrè, eyín ikú sọmọ lórúkọ sàgbàdìwèrè, eyín ikú sọmọ lórúkọ sàgbàdìwèrè. When you come across àgbàlagbà tàgbà ẹ̀ ò tó lé tó yẹ pé wọn mọ bọ́n ṣe ń tó àfi kán dàrú wọn kì í ṣòro mọ́. What is the definition of Bukky Jesse? A name of animal place, or thing. That is definition. Name of animal, place, or thing. That is the definition of a Bukky Jesse. Wọ́n pè mí lórí burúkú. Wọ́n ló wá lọ ń ṣe pé ẹ sọ fún ìyá ẹ̀ fẹ́ fojú sunkún ẹ̀. Baba might have his own personal reason for not coming now. Let's wait and see. Baba cannot leave me here now. Calm down. When Baba won't come, my wife and my younger sister and her friend, they call Baba Mohbad. And Baba, I think Baba give them an appointment. 3 of them, they meet somehow. I don't understand. Or I just don't know. And they talk. And that is the only time they see each other. And later when they come meet me for Ikeja, they tell me, say, we see Baba. Oh. See wetin Baba talk, see wetin Baba talk. I say, hey, Mona, forget this matter. Baba will try his best. It's not easy. This man have a lot to think. Wait, we will sort the matter. My sister was like, "Very mama son here, this, that, and we died the matter there. The matter finish." Now, Bukky coming out to say all this rubbish just to bring Arifa down, insult Arifa, castigate Arifa, turn people against Arifa, tell people to hate Arifa and all that. Because Arifa knows a lot. Just because she find out Arifa knows a lot. If everything you are saying about me is true, you will definitely go scot-free. You will go scot-free. But if not true, every fruit that comes out of your womb, as you antagonize me on force, with false narratives, so shall your kids, when they come across people wey go dey antagonize them throughout their entire life.